What are the different types of meditation? If you watch this video to the very end, you'll have a better understanding of the different types of meditation that are popular. And at the end, I'll share a hack for finding the most effective type of meditation for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mike Vini with the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app team. We regularly share brand new videos and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity. The Relax and Be Emotionally Well app delivers guided meditations with a unique proprietary formula so that each one is inclusive, trauma sensitive, and uses transformational language to give you instant stress relief and deep relaxation. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There's a link in the description. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so be sure to comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any questions. Let's start by breathing meditation, which is the most basic and widely practiced form of meditation. It involves focusing your attention on your breath as a way of grounding yourself and calming your mind. To practice breathing meditation, you can find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, counting to 4. Then exhale slowly, counting to 4 again. Repeat this process while maintaining your focus solely on your breath. Notice the sensation of breath entering and leaving your body, and observe any thoughts or distractions that may arise, letting them go without judgment. I should have totally done that as a separate breathing meditation video. Now, let's move on to Transcendental Meditation, which is a technique popularized by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. It involves the use of a personal mantra to achieve a state of deep relaxation and mental clarity. This is an extremely powerful and effective form of meditation that you practice for about 20 minutes twice a day. The only way to learn it is to invest in it with a Transcendental Meditation teacher at your local Transcendental Meditation Center, and there's a link in the description. On a personal note, I practice Transcendental Meditation, and I'm so grateful that I invested in learning it. And for the record, they are not sponsoring this or paying me in any way to say this. Lastly, let's explore mindfulness meditation, which is about being fully present and aware of the present moment. It involves non-judgmental observation of your thoughts, sensations, and surroundings. Begin mindfulness meditation by finding a comfortable position. You close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then shift your focus to the sensations in your body, starting with your head down to your toes. Notice any sensation of tension, discomfort, or anything else without trying to change them. And next, shift your awareness to the sounds around you without labeling or analyzing them. Finally, become aware of your thoughts and emotions as they rise, and observe them without attachment or judgment. That's mindfulness. Again, that should have totally been its own video too. Remember, mindfulness meditation is not about controlling or stopping your thoughts, but simply observing them with curiosity and compassion. Here's a helpful hack that can help you find the most effective meditation for you. The most effective meditation for you is the one that you will actually do for the foreseeable future. So, don't overthink it. The most effective meditation technique is the one that you will actually do. And that brings us to the end of this video, exploring different types of meditation. I hope you found it informative and inspiring to incorporate these practices into your daily life. Remember, finding the right meditation technique takes time and experimentation. So feel free to explore the different types and find what works best for you. For more information about the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app, please visit www.myrelax.app. Again, that's www.myrelax.app. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There is a link in the description. If you liked this video, please click that like button and be sure to subscribe and share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.